Want to watch NFL Sunday Ticket without paying for YouTube TV subscription? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, open your browser. Now head over to the official NFL Sunday Ticket page on YouTube. Even though it's hosted on YouTube TV's site, you don't need a YouTube TV subscription to access it. Once you're on the page, you want to click on the Get NFL Sunday Ticket button. You will see two options here. One is bundled with YouTube TV and one is standalone. You want to select the YouTube only standalone option. This version lets you watch NFL Sunday Ticket without paying for a monthly YouTube TV plan. You will still use your regular YouTube account and everything streams directly through the main YouTube app or website. After selecting the standalone option, sign in with your YouTube account and pay for the full season. Once you purchase it, you can watch out-of-market Sunday afternoon games directly in the YouTube app on your phone, smart TV or computer under the Library or Purchases section. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.